In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and send table in Gmail. By the end, you'll be able to build a clean table, paste it into an email and send it with formatting intact, all in just a few minutes. Start by opening Google Docs in your web browser. Using Docs is a simple way to design a table that will look consistent when you paste it into Gmail. Create a new blank document so you have a clean workspace. Now let's build the table. In the top menu, click Insert, then choose Table. A small grid will appear. Move your cursor across the grid to pick how many rows and columns you want. Don't worry if you're not sure yet, you can always adjust later. Select the size that matches your content, like a header row and a few rows for data. With the table in place, start filling it in. Use the top row as a header to label your columns clearly. You can bold the header text, center it, or add a subtle background color to make it stand out. If you need to resize columns, hover over the borders and drag them to fit your content. Keep the font simple and legible so it looks good in email. If you realize you need more space, right-click to insert additional rows or columns without rebuilding the table. When your table is ready, highlight the entire table in Google Docs. Click and drag from the top left corner to the bottom right to make sure you capture everything, including borders and background colors. Copy the selection using your keyboard shortcut. Open Gmail in a new tab and sign in if you aren't already. Click the Compose button at the top left to open a new message window. Click inside the body of the email where you want the table to appear, and paste. Gmail will keep the layout, borders, text styling, and most colors from Google Docs, so it should look very close to what you designed. Add your recipients in the To field, write a clear subject line, and include a brief introduction above the table so readers know what they're looking at. If needed, you can type additional notes below the table as well. Take a quick moment to skim your email and make sure the table fits neatly and is easy to read, especially if your columns are wide. When everything looks good, click send. That's it, you've added and sent a table in Gmail with clean professional formatting.